Harbour Le Cou coming up. Okay. This is pretty neat in here. The fog is higher. The fog is high above the hill, so you can actually see. So the rocks and the landscape is awful nice, really nice in here. And it's getting less choppy and windy and stuff in here too, so it doesn't look like much till you get around the corner. So we got to go around. See where we're heading there. Harbour Le Cou coming up. Wow, what a tiny little place, little home. So it's unbelievable. There's a breakwater that was damaged during Fiona, I guess they're repairing. We're just going to swing it around there. I don't think we can tie up because the wharf is being worked on. Up there's where we're going. Looks like. I think we're going to go up here. It's really nice up there. It's all protected. Yeah, very neat little place here. Sure. Yeah, lots of water. You can anchor anywhere from here. Well, it's too much water to anchor here, but right here. I mean, you could, but there's a lot of wind out there. There's hardly anything in here. Oh, that's another waypoint. Community is right here. We're coming up this little channel and there is a waterfall up ahead.
It's hiding now.
Yeah, it's hiding now, but we're gonna anchor in here somewhere. It's pretty neat little park we're at here, eh? Our own private park.
It's gorgeous.
Nobody in here yet. Maybe someone here later today, who knows.
Okay, this is unbelievable. So it's gray outside, but the water's really calm, little bit of a breeze, and oh my gosh, all you can hear is the birds chirping and the waterfall in the background.
Yeah, there's a waterfall in there that we're gonna get to see, hopefully, and then definitely get some drone here. So just got the anchor down. So a lot of water here, 70 feet of water, 75, and which is really too much. But no matter what happens to the winds, I don't think this place is pretty small, so we're pretty safe, I think, in that regard. So we let the chain down here, anchor here first, and then I let out some more scope. So we're over here now. Yeah, so we should be good.
Show where the community is.
Good, yeah. Well, the community is out around the point there, so right around the turn, so over this big hill here. So we're gonna go out there and dinghy for sure. So yeah, it'll be should be peaceful in here for sure.
I think Penny's wondering, where is land? How come I can't get off the boat? She seemed a little bit nervy this morning, actually. I'm glad the trip was short.
Send out some Zoleo points there. Yeah, so we'll just get settled in here, make sure we're all secure, and we're gonna do some exploring because the day is only young. What time is it? Well, it's only 10 o'clock, so we got lots of time. So yeah, we're gonna probably, I don't take the dinghy and go over there and have a look and see if we can see that waterfall. Anyway, there's an anchor and 80 feet of chain on bottom there, so it should hold us. I'm glad this year we got a new 4-stroke Suzuki 2.5 motor for the dinghy, so places like this much needed, so I'm glad of that. Here it is here, and that'll come in handy for other things down the road as well, but it's definitely a must for what we're doing right now. So anyways, I've tried it out, tested it, it works really good. Burns nothing for fuel, of course, small like that. Anyways, it's a pretty good little rig. Frill's just behind us there. We're just motoring in the dinghy, and yeah, this is quite the spot, quite the backdrop here, eh? It's just gorgeous, and it's not even a sunny day. There's a shack in there, a cabin of some sort. Holly hasn't seen it. I've seen it twice. Look around the corner here. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. How cute is what?
The little cabin, the little shack.
Yeah.
We have to go and visit it.
Yeah. Well, this is probably one of the most beautiful remote places I've ever been in my life, I gotta say.
And it's accessible.
Well,
it's accessible. I mean,
yeah, it's kind of remote, but yeah, you can. We're getting too close to waterfalls to fill the boat.
In a second.
Huh?
In a second. Holy.
Where's the water bottle? We didn't take one, did we?
You want the big one?
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna stick my lips down. Lots of water, you're not getting sea water for 6 years. So.
trying. There's
What?
too much water where we're angled. Sure, the rocks are.
Just make sure you don't go over that way.
There's Brian, and he did actually put his face on the rocks and have a drink. And now he's behaving himself a little bit, drinking from his hand, and I'm attached to this little rope down here. He says the water is amazing. I believe him. I don't know what's happening here. We're just gonna try to embark.
So Frill's anchored out here just around the point there. We came in here and motored over here, and here's the beautiful waterfalls. Beautiful, hey? So yeah, now we see this old cabin. So we want to check it out. It's not too bad, Holly, because the it's got a vinyl window in it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we gotta be careful, old nails and stuff. So we're just walking around, having a look, show you guys what this is all about. Great place. What we got here? Piece of steel. Something. No, it's a rock. Anyways, nice old cabin here. She's pretty rotten though. Actually, that's a no, that's a lie. That's not a vinyl window. It's a wooden window. This one's gone too. So this is pretty old. Watch for nails, Holly. Yeah. It looked like a vinyl, but it's actually vinyl clad. Yeah, it's too bad somebody got all broke up.
Hey,
what?
Take a little video of those little plants there growing in the wood. That is a really pretty picture.
That is interesting, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Holly's fascinated with the little plants. We're just trying to go in. Someone's been shooting. Someone's been in here hunting. I see 22 marks in the.
Don't move that yet. Just wait.
Anyways, yeah, nice little camp house. I'm sure the locals, a few beer bottles in here, look at that. A few dollars worth of beer bottles. Lots of cushions. Yeah, it's too bad it was gone away to waste. Yeah, too bad. Old stove over there. And chimney. Yeah, it's a few years old. According to look at those boards in the roof. It's been here for a while. I'll get the story on this when I go over to talk to the locals. 1, 2, 3 bunks there. And it looks like a big old, some kind of a sofa or something there, but I don't know if this stuff all come off the roof or. Yeah. Only if these walls could talk, eh? Nice window there. Yeah, interesting. What?
If I come in, can you help me?
Yep. Come on in.
Okay.
Always got to inspect.
Not sure.
Step on the door. Because it's strong. Step on it.
Hang on, give me this.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, wow. An old couch.
Old couch, yeah.
It was a party shack.
Yeah, looks like a party shack for sure.
Well, a person could come in here and refurbish it.
No, I don't think so, Holly.
No? Like
Yeah,
the structure
you can
is
listen
good.
to the waterfall going to bed each night, eh? It's pretty cool. Not much of land here, but someone put a lot of work into it. you.